Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. Agri Exam is here to have a discussion on the previous year question paper of IBPS AFO. In this video, you will be provided with the answer key of previous year IBPS AFO mains paper. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, which crop botanical name is Oryza sativa? And options are rice, wheat, gram, pea, maize. And the correct answer it is rice. The botanical name of rice it is Oryza sativa. Next question, what is the uniform premium rate for all the rabi crops as per Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? The options are 1.5%, 2%, 3%, 5% and 4%. And the correct answer is 1.5%. It is the premium rate for all the rabi crops as per Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Next question, question number 3rd. The pungency in onion is due to which compound? The options are allyl propyl disulfide, diallyl disulfide, isothiocyanate, memordioconate, isothionine. And the correct answer is allyl propyl disulfide. Due to this compound, there is a pungency in onion. Question number 4. The blossom end rot, it is a problem in and due to the deficiency of. The options are tomato and calcium, tomato and boron, cauliflower and calcium, cauliflower and boron, and none of these. And the correct answer is tomato and calcium. The blossom end rot, it is a problem in tomato and it is due to the deficiency of calcium. Question number 5th. The effluent treatment of pond required for. The options are reduce the organic content and remove the pathogen from ponds, increase the organic content and add pathogens from ponds, reduce the oxygen in ponds, increase the CO2 in ponds, and the last option is none of these. And the correct answer it is reduce the organic content and remove the pathogen from plant. For this purpose the effluent treatment of pond it is required. Question number 6. As per PFA, the SNF in cow milk is. The options are 8.5%, 8%, 9% and 9.5%. And the correct answer is as per PFA, the SNF in cow milk it should be 8.5%. Question number 7. The piercing and sucking mouth part it is found in which order? The options are Hemiptera, Coleoptera, Isoptera, Lepidoptera and Arthroptera. And the correct answer it is Hemiptera. The piercing and sucking type of mouth part it is found in Hemiptera order. Question number 8. The superiority of F1 hybrid in one or more character over its parent it is known as. The options are heterosis, backcross, test cross, top cross and none of these. And the correct answer it is heterosis. It is the superiority of F1 hybrid in one or more character over its parent. Question number 9. The ICMR recommendation of vegetables in gram. Options are 300 gram, 400 gram, 500 gram, 200 gram and 100 gram. And the correct answer is 300 gram. It is the ICMR recommendation of vegetables in gram. Question number 10. In which scheme the farmers direct get rupees 6,000 support by the government annually? The options are PM Kisan, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, ENAM, KCC, PMMSY. And the correct answer is PM Kisan. Under this scheme the farmers they directly get rupees 6,000 support by the government annually. Question number 11. The pendimethalin is used against. The options are weeds, virus, fungus, bacteria and nematode. And the correct answer is weeds. Pendimethalin it is used against weeds. Question number 12. The act of parturition of sow it is called as. The options are furrowing, calving, lambing, kidding and none of these. And the correct answer is furrowing. The act of parturition of sow, it is known as furrowing. Question number 13. RM test is done to check the purity of. The options are ghee, butter, skimmed milk, toned milk and khoa. The correct answer is ghee. This Richard Missel number, it is a test which is done to check the purity of ghee. Question number 14. The water holding capacity in descending order. The options are clay, silt, sand, sand, silt, clay, sand and clay, silt, sand. They are asking in case of descending order, and the correct answer is first come clay, then silt and then sand. So option first, it is the correct answer. Question number 15. The symptoms of powdery mildew of pea, it is first appeared on. The options are pod, leaves, stem, flower and roots. And the correct answer is leaves. The symptoms of powdery mildew of pea, it is first appeared on leaves. Question number 60. The family of mustard. Options are Cruciferae, Gramineaceae, Leguminosae, Cucurbitaceae, Solanaceae. And the correct answer is Cruciferae. The family of mustard is Cruciferae. Question number 17. The process which softened the seed coat to water and gas. The options are scarification, stratification, vaccination, vacuolization, none of these. And the correct answer is scarification. It is the process which softened the seed coat to water and gas. Question number 18. The protein which is present in milk. The options are sericin, keratin, collagen, albumin, oryzine. And the correct option, it is sericin. It is the protein which is present in milk. It is present in silk. Question number 19. The process of separation of silk from cocoon. The options are rilling, stiffing, arrowing, rubbing, none of these. And the correct answer is rilling. It is the process of separation of silk from cocoon. Question number 20. Atheria mylitta, it is a. Options are temperate tassar, tropical tassar, temperate muga, tropical muga and iri. And the correct answer, it is tropical tassar. Question number 21. The retting, it is a process of which crop? The options are rice, jute, gram, tobacco, potato. And the correct answer, it is rice. Retting, it is a process in rice crop. And the framework of the system, it is suitable for all the crops, but specific retting factors are developed, which is initially for only the spring seeded small crops. Question number 22. The fruit of rose, it is known as. Options are hips, capsule, pod, drupe and berry. And the correct answer is hips. The fruit of rose, it is known as hips. Question number 23. Which of the following chemical it is used for polyploidy breeding? The options are colchicine, X-ray, GA3, acrylidyne dyes, oxine. And the correct answer is colchicine. It is the chemical which is used for polyploidy breeding. Question number 24. The cross of two different breeds, alternatively it is known as. The options are crisscross, backcross, test cross, outcross and close breeding. And the correct answer, it is crisscross. It is the cross of two different breeds alternatively. Question number 25. The fruit of pineapple, it is known as. Options are sorosis, pome, pepo, berry and drupe. And the fruit of pineapple, it is known as sorosis. Question number 26. The credit for success of Krishi Vigyan Kendra goes to. Options are Mohan Singh Mehta, Chandrika Prasad, Mangala Rai, Dr. R.S. Paroda, Balwant Mehta. And the correct answer, it is Mangala Rai. The credit for success of KVK goes to Mangala Rai. Question number 27. The buffalo breed from Gujarat and have sickle-shaped horn. Options are Surati, Bhadavari, Murha, Mehsana, Nili Ravi. And the correct answer is Surati. It is the buffalo breed from Gujarat and has sickle-shaped horn. Question number 28. The reclamation of alkali soil by using. Options are gypsum, rock sulfate, single superphosphate, lime, and none of these. We can reclimate the alkali soil with the use of gypsum. Question number 29. Which is the host of Japanese encephalitis? Options are pig, mosquito, cow, goat, and sheep. And the correct answer it is mosquito. It is the host of the disease, that is Japanese encephalitis. Question number 30. Mandi, it is a type of market. Options are primary type, fairs, secondary, tertiary, and none of these. And the correct answer is primary type. Mandi, it is a primary type of market. Question number 31. Mayer published a paper in 1886 on the disease which he named as a mosaic disease on which crop, and he described its symptoms in detail. The options are tobacco, tomato, potato, banana, and papaya. And the correct answer it is tobacco. Question number 32. What is a smother crop? The options are rapidly growing crop that is used to suppress or stop the growth of weed. Second option is rapidly growing weed that is used to suppress or stop the growth of crop. A variety of cereals that grow slowly, or a variety of cereals that grow faster. And the correct answer, smother crop, they are nothing but the rapidly growing crops that is used to suppress or stop the growth of weed. Question number 33. Late blight is the disease of. The options are potato, tobacco, wheat, chili, and none of these. And late blight disease, it is of potato. Question number 34. Pre-seasonal planting of sugarcane, it is followed in Maharashtra and Karnataka. We have to answer in months: July to August, November to December, May to June, September to October, January to February. And the correct answer it is September to October. Question number 35. Who recommends the MSP and issue prices? The options are Ministry of Agriculture, NAFED, NABARD, Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, and EJMAG. And the correct answer is Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices recommend the MSP and the issue prices. Question number 36. Moldboard instrument it is used for. Options are plowing, weeding, harrowing, leveling, and none of these. And we all know that MB instrument it is used for the purpose of plowing. Question number 37. Soil moisture is measured by which instrument? The options are tensiometer, anemometer, oxanometer, manometer, potometer. And tensiometer it is the instrument through which we measure the soil moisture. Question number 38. Which is European bee? The options are Apis mellifera, Apis dorsata, Apis cerana, Apis mellifera, none of these. And the correct answer is Apis mellifera. It is a European bee. Question number 39. 2,4-D it is used for. The options are herbicide, insecticide, pesticide, biopesticide, and none of these. And the correct answer is 2,4-D. It is used as a herbicide. Question number 40. Which one is not a sedimentary rock? Options are granite, limestone, sandstone, dolomite, and none of these. And the correct option is granite. It is not a sedimentary rock. It is an igneous rock. Question number 41. Buffalo milk is whiter than cow milk. Why? First option, because it has beta carotene pigments which get converted to colorless pigment. It contains more fat. It contains no lactose. It contains more calcium and none of these. And the correct answer it is beta carotene pigment get converted to colorless pigment. That's why the buffalo milk is more whiter than cow milk. Question number 42. Scratching, rubbing and softening seed coat to make it permeable for water. This process it is known. We have to answer. The options are stratification, scarification, rubbing, cleaning, none of these. And the correct answer is scarification. Question number 43. Tree plus crop plus pasture. It is known as. Options are agri-silvipastoral system, silviculture, hortipastoral, agri-hortipastoral, agri-silviculture. And the correct option it is agri-silvipastoral system. Question number 44. What is zoonosis? First option it is disease which is transferred to animals to humans. Disease transfers from human to animal. Disease transfer from bird to animal. Disease transfer from human to bird. And the correct answer it is option first, that is disease transfer from animal to humans. It is known as zoonosis. Question number 45. The fat globule they break in uniform size. The options are homogenization, sterilization, pasteurization, calcification, none of these. And the correct answer it is homogenization. It is the process in which the fat globules they break in the uniform size. Question number 46. Anamorph is the first step of. The options are nitrogen cycle, hydrogen cycle, carbon cycle, sulfur cycle, and none of these. And the correct answer it is nitrogen cycle. Anamorph it is one of the step of nitrogen cycle. Question number 47. The off-type crop varieties in main crop they are known as. The options are roughing, weeding, isolating, hoeing, and none of these. The process of removal of off-type of crop. Rogging it is the removal of the off type of crop varieties in the main crop. Question number 48. In pomegranate disorder that cannot be identified externally, whereas the areoles become more soft, light creamy brown to dark blackish brown, and it is unfit for consumption. We have to identify that disorder in pomegranate. The options are internal breakdown of pomegranate, cracking, fruit sucking moth, external breakdown, and none of these. And the correct option it is internal breakdown of pomegranate. Question number 49. The parallel and antiparallel lines in DNA helix it is connected with which bond? The options are hydrogen bond, covalent bond, phosphate bond, carbon bond, and none of these. The correct answer it is hydrogen bond. The parallel and antiparallel lines in DNA helix they are connected with the hydrogen bond. Question number 50. Sugarcane rattoning compared to pure crop. The options are more nitrogen is required, less nitrogen required, more potassium, more calcium, none of these. The correct answer it is more nitrogen is required. Question number 51. In Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, grapevine are pruned twice in the month of. We have to answer the month in which the grape are pruned twice. The options are February, March, November, December, April to May and October to November, June to July and September to October, January, February and August, September. And the correct answer is April to May and October to November. It is the time when the grapes wine they are pruned more. Question number 52. Secretion of milk by granular secretory tissue of milk animal and their collection in the various system terminating its laid down specific stimuli. The options are lactation, secretion, homogenization, flushing, none of these. And the correct answer it is lactation. Question number 53. The coconut beetle it is named as. The options are rhinoceros beetle, red palm weevil, coconut mite, black-headed caterpillar and none of these. coconut beetle, it is rhinoceros beetle. Question number 54. Which seed is the progeny of breeder seed? The options are foundation seed, breeder seed, registered seed, certified seed and nucleus seed. And the correct answer, it is foundation seed. It is the progeny of breeder seed. Question number 55. Bordeaux mixture contained. Options are copper, sulfur, potassium, calcium, boron. And the correct answer, it is Bordeaux mixture. It is a copper mixture. Question number 56. Continuous seed sowing in row and they are compacted with the help of soil. The options are drilling, dibbling, broadcasting, hill dropping, check round, planting. And the correct answer, it is drilling. Question number 57. Milk fever, it is caused due to the deficiency of. The options are calcium, zinc, boron, copper, nitrogen. And the correct answer, it is calcium. Milk fever occurs due to the deficiency of calcium. Question number 58. Which of the following housing system is used in commercial layer farming cage system in poultry having the dimension of 14 into 16 inches, or you can say 17 inches? The options are battery method, cage system, double cage system, light method and none of these. And the correct option, it is battery method. Question number 59. The principle of this technique, it is the generation of nitrogen cycle by maintaining the higher CN ratio through stimulating the heterotrophic microbial growth which assimilates the nitrogenous waste that can be exploited by the cultural species as a feed. The options are biofloc fish farming, integrated fish farming, composite fish farming, marine fish farming and inland fish farming. And the correct answer, it is biofloc fish farming. The last question, question number 60. When hybrids of protoplasmic fusion of two different species varieties fused, they are known as. The options are intraspecific hybridization, interspecific hybridization, intrageneric hybridization, intergeneric and somatic hybridization. And the correct answer, it is somatic hybridization. So friends, here we have discussed the previous year IBPS A4 means answer key. In the next video we will discuss the previous year question paper of IBPS A4 of the year 2019. So stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.